morning, I'm Molly. Welcome back to Vanny Orchard. Finally, my husband finished build my raised bed. Originally, we're planning to build 6 of them, but we come to realize it was just too many for this small area. So we decided to go with 4. And you know what? Actually, I am so happy. It worked out so perfect. And I asked my husband to paint my raised bed clay because the brickwork and the wall, it just goes so well together. It looks so earthy, so warm, so cozy, and also it goes so well with this black trellis. It make it pop and make it look so whimsical. And originally this arbor is about 8.5 feet. It was just too tall. It would look funny. So we took out 3 feet in order to make it look balanced with our raised bed. And I took out all my vegetables from black plastic pot and I replanted them in my new raised bed. But I only plant them in the evening. I plant this about 6:30 in the evening because you don't want to do this in the morning because it's still warm. And if you do in the morning, by afternoon your plant will go too into shock and will die instead. And also I am just so happy because now I can stand here, work on my vegetable. I can pick them. I can look at for disease. It's just so perfect. I don't have to bend down, so I don't have to hurt my back because I have back problem. Now I'm so happy. And here in Southern California, we still can grow tomato because we still have some the heat, the summer heat. Just like this coming weekend, it's going to be in the high 90. So what I done is I put in this tomato right here on each side, the same type tomato. I never done this. I never tried this variety before. It called chocolate sprinkles cherry tomato. And I looked it up, supposed to be sweet and perfect with salad or just picked it and put in your mouth. It's supposed to be so delicious. And I'm going to let it climb here to my new arbor and let it hang down and going to look like grapes. So I can't wait to see when my tomatoes start to give all those fruit. On this side, I took out all my vegetables, the one in the black plastic pot, and I replant them into my new raised bed. And I'm waiting for my eggplant to finish giving out the fruit so I can clear up this area, because we planning to build 2 more raised bed sometime in mid-October next month. And by using our recycled raised bed, the one over there where my fruit tree is, the green one, so it's going to be come over here and he's going to build for me. It's going to be 2 by 3, but it's going to be sitting on the ground side by side so I can get my fall and winter vegetable gardens ready. And I'm going to be planting carrots, beets, arugula, spinach, and some lettuce. And I'm going to try also growing some garlics, and hopefully keep my finger crossed I have some space so I can grow some of sugar snap pea, because I love sugar snap pea. Now I'm going to give you a tour to my whimsical vegetable garden. See the orange mint? I trim it all down and they will be all coming back soon. And also over here on this side, see it? Now, here is my new vegetable garden, my new whimsical vegetable garden, in this long, narrow, small space. And I am so happy how it turned out. And here is all my gray raised bed, and there are herbs in here. Let me show you. Green onion, getting a lot bigger. One lettuce, Asian herbs, Actually, this is a lettuce, Asian lettuce. And right over here is oregano, marigold, thyme, more oregano. Look at this, just beautiful. Basil, chive right here, more basil, green onion. This is Asian herb. I don't know how you call it in English, but in Cambodian it's called ji yuen. And this is lemon balm. I use for tea every day. And over here is stevia. Mom's right here. More basil. And here is my new raised bed. I'm so happy. It's so beautiful, and I just love it. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.